In this video, we're going over the top 5 problems on this Nissan 350Z. Now, there's nothing wrong with this vehicle. There's nothing wrong with buying one or owning one. All vehicles have their problems. These are the top 5 that we have found. Number 1, timing chain guide and tensioners. Now, the timing chain is located in the front of the engine, and that's what connects the top of the engine to the bottom of the engine. What you're going to notice for a symptom is a loud ticking noise coming from the front of the engine, especially on cold starts. And what that is looseness in the timing chain itself. It's important not to ignore this, or you could cause more engine damage. This is a big job to do. You're going to have to remove the whole front of the engine, the whole front cover, just to access the timing chains. Now, if you change your oil regularly and make sure the oil level is up to par, it will last a little longer. Nissan has come out with an updated timing chain guides and tensioners to prevent this problem. Number 2, erratic or high idle after cleaning the throttle body. Now, the throttle body is located right here, and over time there will be carbon buildup on the throttle body, so it is good to clean it off after a while. Now, the computer calibrates according to that carbon buildup, so after you clean that off, the computer still thinks that there's carbon buildup on there. So it's trying to adjust to compensate for that carbon buildup. It's important when you're cleaning the throttle body to make sure you do not open the flap. Just wipe as little as possible. Try not to move it at all. If you're running into this, what you can do is disconnect the battery, leave it disconnected for a while, reconnect the battery, and drive the vehicle around for a little bit. It's going to have to relearn all the positions of the throttle body and all the other electronics in the vehicle. Number 3, crank and camshaft position sensors. Now, they're located in the back of the engine, the cam sensors on the top of the heads. There's one sensor that goes straight in right here, and the other one is going to be located on the driver's side underneath where the throttle body is. The symptom you're going to get with these is the engine is stalling while you're driving. To replace these, it's pretty simple. There's just one 10mm bolt holding them in. You disconnect the connector. And for the crank sensor, it's going to be on the back side of the engine underneath the car. Number 4, a faulty fuel damper. Now, the fuel damper is located right here. And what you're going to notice with this is a loud ticking noise. So don't get this confused with the timing chain tick from the front of the motor. But this noise you're going to hear from inside the cab. And to fix this, you just replace it. It's a pretty simple fix. Number 5, rear wheel hub bearings. Now, the hub bearing is what attaches the wheel to the vehicle itself. One of the symptoms you may find when you have this problem is while you're going down the road, you're going to hear a howling noise or humming noise coming from the rear of the vehicle. It may change pitch from turning left to right. Another thing you can do to check to see if you have a problem with the rear hub bearings is with the vehicle raised up, grab the top of the tire and the lower of the tire and just shake back and forth. There shouldn't be any play there. If there's play there, you need new hub bearings. So those are our top 5 problems for this Nissan 350Z. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring that bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.